I sang with Abe Ellstein.
Really?
Yeah. Abe Ellstein had a program on the radio on WEVD every morning. I woke up to this. He said, Agit morgen, Agit jur, ich begrüße euch wieder meine liebe Freund. Zu jeden Basinde, Tate, Mami, und die Kinder, Agit morgen, Agit jur. That was his jingle. That was his opening for the program. And dus redt Abe Ellstein mit an Erev Shabbos the piano. It was Friday, so it was Erev Shabbos the piano. He had a blue piano in WEVD. It was painted blue. And a friend of mine, I was 12 years old, a friend of mine said to me, you know, I gotta bring you up to Abe Ellstein. He should hear you. I said, okay. So he took me up one day. He went up to WEVD. I met Abe Ellstein. He says, what are you going to sing? So, okay. I sang a piece of cantorial music, you know, Elu Devorim by Rappaport. And he played for me. And he gave me a couple of suggestions. And he said, well, you're 12 years old. You got to stop singing now. You got to rest your voice and this and that. I said, okay. Never did.